Wifey hooked my refrigerator up for me. Some cold water. These are bomb right here. These little red grapefruit, coconut water, pineapples. Got my almond milk. Got all my cereals and stuff right here. Got me some Hawaiian bread. Yeah, Pop-Tarts and all that good stuff, man. I'm ready for the road, baby. Shout out to my wife, Jazakallah khair. Road flooded. Contemplating on, I think I can make it through here. I don't know why my GPS just put me down this way. Yeah, look at that. Little pond or whatever. Look at that. Flooded road. I don't know what the hell this is. Somewhere in Jersey. Implementing this new Amazon procedure. They got an it's an automated system that you call or you contact from overseas somewhere, from what they told me. You know, so the people in the guard shit don't even come out, and they got them doing everything else. There's a few other locations that's doing this as well, but you basically tell them your load number, your license plate number, and they tell you where to drop off and where to pick up at, and when your truck is going to be ready. It's going to be easy and more convenient, but there's a few locations doing this, and I'm pretty sure once a few start doing it, gradually everyone else is going to follow suit. So just be prepared to follow suit on the new procedures at Amazon over here in Logan Town, somewhere in New Jersey. So peaceful out here. Baby waiting for this trailer. Heading back up Massachusetts. Always wait till the light turn green. Still says flashing red. That means they're still loading the truck or the trailer. So peaceful out here. I stay up Massachusetts so much, man, I might as well get an apartment up there. The yard empty. Yeah. It's my baby right here. She get the job done. The baby right there waiting for this load, taking down Connecticut. Got a few drops in Connecticut, and we got one in Baltimore. We're done for the day. And so later on that evening, we're going back out Charlotte. Yeah. To tell you this, let me show y'all this mud flap I just had to replace. I don't know why I just flew off on me. This mud flap I just had to replace right here. Box. It's a little bigger. I try to cut it, but it'll work. I always recommend to have a few tools out here, man, when you come out doing this trucking. You ain't gotta be mechanic inclined. You definitely need to know a few things about the truck. Have a few little tools. So you don't want to be going to the mechanic for every little issue. I'll try to stay on red. Got 2 hours to sit here and wait, so probably just do some push-ups, sit here and chill, watch a movie for a minute. Check in with y'all in the field. Shower time, baby. Some here. Oh, there's some clothes on. before with my wife. Y'all seen one of my previous videos. Little star shed. Who did it wrong. Oh, let's see what's right here. Even though I know it's not open. Oh no, that ain't about it. Curious if it was in it. Sure. Why they got a pen there and they give us a key? Thing. Toilet is nasty. Look, they ain't even clean it. What you expect, man? Every pallet is different. So good. So I just went to the Sombrero Italian restaurant. As you see, I got me some chicken, spaghetti, and of course, they gave us the garlic bread. That garlic bread looks good too. With the peach pure leaf. I'm sitting over here at the pilot in Rhode Island. Just changed my mud flap. Got one just point of advice when you guys come out here, man, for you rookies, or even, you know, people that's, you know, got a year or so in. Very important. Keep you some tools, man. Keep you a few ratchets, a few sockets. You know, some wrenches. You never know when they might come in handy. You can't run to the truck stop for every little thing. Not even go for it when you want to get your own truck, so get some advice. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and crush this. This look good too. They gave me a lot of spaghetti. Look at that. Yes, sir. Where you gotta dock it at an angle over here. You see my man docking at an angle. Hopefully I don't do it when I'm back in. Over here in Falls River, Massachusetts. About to go over here and see, get us something good out of this vending machine. Some type of snacks or something. Some Snickers or some chips. After that big old meal I had, man, I got the serious itis. Woo! Yeah.